Good afternoon, children. Hi, everybody. How are you? Welcome to our Easy Maths channel. So, today we are going to discuss about power set. The new topic, power set. Okay, let us see what is a power set. Power set అంటే ఏంటో చూద్దాం. Let us go for next slide. Before that, so I'm requesting you all subscribe Easy Maths, like, share, and hit the bell icon. Fine. Now power set. So power set, the definition for power set is so set of all subsets. We know about subset. Subset means what? If A comma B are any two sets, if all the elements of A are in B, then we can say A is a subset of B. So based on that, so we will discuss what are these, how to write these all subsets. Let us see. So first of all, power set means set of all subsets. That's it. So if A is any non-empty set, means A is any set, then power set of A is denoted by P of A. P of A is set of all subsets of A. So this is the definition. So let us see with some questions. Right. Now null set. Null set. Phi is the null set. So null set is subset to all sets. Null set means phi is a subset to all sets. Hence, we can say null set is a subset to A or null set is subset to B. So null set is a subset to C or so on. Right. Second condition. Every set is a subset of itself. Very good. So everyone thinks that he himself is a hero, right? Fine. So that's why in the same way, so we can say that A is subset to A, B is subset to B, C is subset to C. You take any set. Suppose if you take P as a set, it is subset to itself only. Very, very important. Null set is subset to all sets, and every set is subset to itself. Right. Coming to next. So let us see with this example how many subsets that we can write. So ఈ సెట్ కి ఇంకా ఎన్ని సబ్సెట్స్ రాయొచ్చు చూద్దాం. So let us see. So just now we have seen that null set is subset to any set, and also A is subset to A. Right? Here A got 1 and 2 subsets are here. Fine. Now few more. Now write with single element 1. See, 1 is the element, it is there in A. Hence this whole set is subset to A. Fine. Now 2. Hence 2 is the element, it is there in A. Hence we can say this is the set subset to A. So 1 comma 2. These two are subset to A. Now we write all the subsets. All the subsets. Right. So all the subsets of A. Now you tell what are the subsets from above two statements. So one is, yes, exactly null set and subset A itself, and 1 and also 2. Very good. How many subsets total? Number of subsets. Fine. Number of subsets are 4. So we can write this one as 2 square. Fine. Why we are writing 2 square? Okay, once we will see the set A. How many elements are there? Just tell me. Yeah, exactly. Count. A is there. One, two. Two elements. Yeah, exactly. Whatever you are saying, that's nice. Fine. Yes, exactly. Two elements. So number of A is equal to 2. Now number of all subsets we got. Now what is the power set? Power set of A is equal to set of all subsets. Null set comma A comma 1 comma 2. Nice. So this is about power set. Now how many elements are there in power set? Number of elements in power set. It is 4. Understand? So once again, A is given 1 comma 2. So we can say null set is subset to A and A is subset to A. Right? A is subset to A. Now two elements are here. Single element I am taking. First I have taken only one. Next time I have taken only two. So one is here in this set and also in set A. Two is in this set and also two is in A. Hence null set A 1 2. These four are the subsets. So null set A 1 2. Fine. Now number of subsets. Count 1 2 3 4. Nice. You are correct. 4. 4 we can write as 2 square. Why we are writing as 2 square? So in the next slides you can understand. Now count number of elements in A. Number of elements what? You can easily can say. Count and say A in set A. Elements only two elements we have. Two elements we have. Now power set. How to write power set? A is given. Then power set of A is write all the subset in set symbol in a set. So now 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there. So number of elements in power set is right. I think you understand this. So let us go for next slide. Fine. Right. Now what is there here? A. It is given A is equal to A comma B. Now same method. Null set is a subset to A. Next one you can say yes every set exactly. Whatever you are saying correct. Every set is subset to A itself. So every set is subset itself. Hence A is subset to A. Here already we got two sets as subsets. Now what are the other single element? A and B. Fine, very good. So all subsets. We should write all subsets together. All subsets. What are the all subset? Null set A, A and B. No. Power set of A. Power set of A means what we should write? In a set symbol, we should write all these subsets. That's it. 5 A, A and B. Again set close. Now you write number of A is equal to how much? A and B only two elements. Now number of power set of A means so number of elements in power set is 4. So cardinal number of A is 2. Cardinal number of power set is 4. This is nothing but 2 square. Fine. So I think you have understand how to write all subsets. Let us see one more question. Fine. Wow. Previously it was two elements. Now we will do it exactly three elements. So whatever the elements, either one element, two elements, three elements, four elements. So our standard one is first one. Null set is a subset to every set. In the same way, A is a subset to itself. Fine. Here we got two subsets instantly. Now sing with single element. 1 single element, 2 single element, 3. Right. Now you take one element with two elements. Now you tell two elements. Which two elements you can tell? Yeah, you are saying whatever you are saying correct. 1 comma 2. Ah, right. Next 1 comma 3. Very good. Next exactly 2 comma 3. Exactly. Any other options? So 3, you are saying 3 2? No. 2 3 already we have written. So 3 2 we need not write. 1 3 already we have written. 3 1 we need not write. 1 2 we have already written. So 2 1 we need not to write. Okay? Right. So these are the elements. Now these are the sets we have written from the given set. These all are the subsets. Now write all subsets together. All subsets. So what are the all subset? One is null set, one is set itself, and with single element, right? Single element 1, 2, 3, and with two elements 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. Very simple. Okay. Now how to write power set of A? Power set of A is nothing but set symbol. In set symbol, write all these sets. So null set A 1, 2, next 3, next 1 comma 2, next 1 comma 3, next 2 comma 3. Nice. Now close the subset symbol. Now, how many subsets are there? Total subsets. You tell total subsets. Count. Yes. Total subsets. Count and tell. Count and tell. Yes, exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Otherwise, here you write. All subsets you are written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total subsets are 8. Wow. Now we can say number of elements in power set of A are 8. That is equal to 2Q. See, understand? So this is the method to write subsets, number of subsets and subsets. And if you write all the subsets in set symbol, that become a power set. Okay. Now see this. Every time number of elements in power set, whatever the number is there, I am writing in terms of 2. Okay. Why we are writing that? Let us see. Right here, A, B, C is there. Let us see with this example. First, you tell what we should write. Yes, exactly. First, null set is a subset of A. Next, yes, everyone hero himself. A subset A. Very nice. Next, remaining single elements. Exactly whatever you are saying, that is correct. Single element A, B, and C. Next, right, correct. Whatever you are saying, correct. Two elements. A, B, yeah. Next, okay. B, C also can write. Next, any other option? Yeah, A, C. Yes, exactly. Any other? No, two elements only these are. So now write all the element, all the subsets. All the subsets. Fine. Right. All the subsets are null set A and set A, set B, fine. Set C, very good. AB, very good. BC, very good. CA or AC, anything is fine. Now, what is power set of A? Can anybody say? Power set of A. Yeah, exactly. So, write set symbol and write all the subsets inside as elements. All sets are as elements we are writing now. So very nice, very nice, very nice. Very, very nice. A, B, C, A, B, right. B, C, and C, A, close. Now you tell power set of A contains how many elements? Means it's a cardinal number of elements in power set. Or already we have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subsets. 8 subsets. 8 subsets. 8 subsets we can add as 2 cube. Fine. Right. Okay. See this. From the above questions, we can say that if number of elements of A, number of subsets of A. So number of subsets of A, if A contains n number of elements, is it 2 power n? Means what is the meaning? If cardinal number of A, number of elements in A is n, then number of subsets. What is that? Number of subsets. Number of subsets are 2 power n. This one we can write as like this also. Number of elements in its power set. Power set of A is nothing but 2 power n. That's why in previous slide, in previous questions what I said, 4 I have written as 2 square, 8 I has written as 2 cube for this. So if number of A contains 3 elements, next number of power set of A contains how many elements? Very simple, 2 power n. That is 2 power, yes, 2 power 3, that is 8 elements. Okay, so this is the thing about the power set and number of elements in power set. Okay, now you tell if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. How many elements are there in number A? Set A. Count. Yes, count. Yeah, exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 elements. Now number of elements will be how much? Yes, formula is 2 power n. It's nothing but 2 power 4. That is 16. Very good. These all 16 elements will be in the power set. Correct? So number of elements also 2 power n, that is equal to 2 power 4. Exactly 16. We can say number of elements in power set is 16. Now I think you all have understand. Now coming to next question. I will see how many members will answer this. Okay. See this. It is there now. This previous question only. Right. Number of A 4. Number of subsets 4. Power set 2 power n. Very good. 2 power 4 is 16. Power set of A is 16. So I hope you all have understand. Now coming to very important. So proper subsets. What is the meaning of proper subsets? Proper subsets. Proper subsets means what is that? Subsets except the set itself. So the subsets of A except the set itself. The set itself. Hence, if number of A contains n elements, now number of proper subsets will be how much? Proper subsets. Actually, subsets are 2 power n, right? Proper means we should remove this A. Means one set we need to remove. So 2 power n. minus 1. Now, number of non-empty sets. Non-empty sets. So, this is very, very important for object type. So, they used to ask, they won't ask subsets. They used to ask proper subsets. They used to ask number of empty, non-empty subsets. Non-empty subsets. Okay. Non-empty subsets are how many? So, non-empty subsets means once you think how many non-empty subsets are there? Can anybody? Can anybody? Yeah, exactly. Whatever you are saying, it's correct. So, in previous question, later once we will see in this question, the non-empty subsets means, see here a these all are sets with some elements, but null set is empty set. Null set is empty set. Non-empty subsets means these all will be calculated except this null set. Hence, we can say non-empty subsets means again we should remove that 2 power n minus 1. Suppose, for example, if number of a is equal to 3, now we can say number of proper subsets. Can anybody? Exactly. Proper subsets are, yeah. Whatever you are saying, it's correct. That is 2 power n minus 1. That is equal to 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube is equal to 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. In the same way, non-empty subsets also. So, non-empty subsets. Non-empty subsets. So, non-empty subsets also 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. That is equal to 2 cube minus 1, that is 8 minus 1 is 7. So this is very, very important. So children, I hope you have understand whatever we have discussed in this video, power set of any set. So I hope you all have understand, and thank you very much. Thank you. And before going to end this video, I'm requesting once again, please share the video, comment, and click the bell icon. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.